Hey guys, I'm gonna make my famous, so very famous, zucchini pasta with sausage today, so keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna start off by spiralizing 2 large zucchinis. Next, you're gonna take 3 sausages and get them ready. Could be plain, could be spicy honey, or Italian, or some Portuguese sausage. Okay, y'all, obviously you know I'm not a chef, so like, this is not so serious. But first thing first, you just wanna brown up your meat and you wanna break it up. Break it up, get the anger out, honey, you know? That man that's been pissing you off, you know? Keep just chomping away. And add some garlic and pepper and basil. I also added some like random bits of vegetables I had, like some cauliflower and a little bit of like zucchini before I put the zucchini pasta in, just to throw it in so it kind of really melts away. I want it to be as soft as possible. And yeah, just you want it to be really brown. So now I'm just kind of browning up some garlic. And then I have some vegetable pasta in here. There's 2 different kinds because I ran out of pasta. And you just gotta improvise, honey, and go with the flow. Okay, super awkward angle. I feel like all you're looking at is my crotch, but so sorry. Since I'm feeling so wild, I'm gonna add mushrooms because why not? And it's gonna be good. So the tomato is just like boiling down or whatever, cooking down. And when your man comes home, you want to like kiss him and make up, do whatever you gotta do, and keep cooking. Okay, back to watching my crotch. So I just added the pasta and added some butter. I don't know why. I feel like everything tastes better with butter. So if this tastes like shit, well, it won't because there's butter. Okay, cool. Okay, one more time. So things are looking good. No one's gonna die, I don't think. Add some cheese, even though it makes me have really smelly farts, but that's fine. You know, it's all good. There you go, my pasta is ready to be served. We shall see what it tastes like. So, how is it though?
Okay, let me try it out. I'll get a little bit of everything here.
Okay.
Try it out.
Any day now.
So light.
Alrighty, enough with my foolishness. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.